Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is P Vibes as usual. Actually, to give me so much of time, let me explain this video. I don't normally talk much on my videos, but let me just explain this video for you, please. So as of yesterday, an elephant entered a village in Port Harcourt Creek. For now, the village is unknown. And when the villagers saw this elephant, they ran out of fear because they're not familiar with this kind of animal. In Nigeria, we are familiar with this kind of goats, dogs, fowl and the rest. So they ran and they left some of their belongings, which include 200 liters of local brews. Why they call them local brews? Include 200 liters of ogogoro. So it's like this elephant was tasty, so he decided to taste it. The elephant said, let me drink small water. So he tastes this local brews known as ogogoro. So think chakam small, chakam. Guy man, he drank all the 200 liters of brews. Do you know what happened to this elephant? Wow. Watch this video, share and subscribe. I'm sorry for wasting your time. Boom.
Problema de põe dinheiro para pagar mal.
Allez-y, montez encore. Allez, montez.
Problema